Habon Books. Today I am reading a story about a young tortoise who lives in East Africa. His name is Thor. Thor loves sunshine, he loves eating hibiscus flowers, and he loves playing with his friend Geddy, who is a rodent. One day he suggested all the crops or bears should be divided among all the animals. But the birds did not agree with Thor, and they wanted the crops by themselves, and they will not stop at anything to get them. This book, Thor's Turmoil and Triumph, is dealing with police without being violent. And this week is Anti-Police Week in Canada, and we have pink shirts in most of our stores. So we should stand up to bullies. You can find this book at our Amazon storefront. Please see the link below. And keep reading, and welcome to Habon Books.